Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we created this look right here. I'm living for it. I think it's so pretty. It's bringing out my goth fantasy over here. Okay, it really is. It's just the lipstick keeps sticking to my dang teeth. So for today's look, we use the Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette, of course. Super easy look. It literally didn't take really any time at all. Only used maybe like 4 shades and then a Plouise base for the blue part, which obviously you're gonna see in the video. But this is what we created. This is what I came up with today. I think it's so freaking pretty. I love this look so much. Oh, look. But before we get into the look, I just want to say, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, go follow me on my social medias. Really helps me out a lot, and we have fun here. Okay, we do looks like this. We just have a good time. We have a good time here. So if you're into colorful looks, then you definitely should hit that subscribe button and join this family over here, okay? Because it's fun, we have a great time, it's a party. I'm not going to say too much in this intro. I don't really think there's that much really to be said. We didn't use anything new today or anything. There's really not much I have to talk about. Just the palette. It's a super easy look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I've already primed my lid. I've been going in with the Juvias Place one because my Revlon Candid one just seems like it's kind of getting too dark. Like it's oxidizing and getting old. I've had it for a while, so I'm going to go in with the Bperfect Carnival Love Tahiti palette. I haven't played with this in a long time, so I kind of just wanted to mess around with this one today. And I'm going to take the shade Blackberry right here. And I'm going to start down here with my eye first, just so I can make sure that when I go to do like the full circle, everything just kind of like cohesively goes. And then I'm just going to drag that shade right on up. We're doing a more rounded shape as opposed to just dragging it out. And then bring that all the way into the inner corner. You could also use a pencil brush for this. This was kind of easier. I did it on the other eye. So I'm just going to switch over to that, map out my shape, and then we'll get to blending. This is honestly like one of the best purple shades I've ever used. It's so pretty. It's just like a true purple. And then I'm just gonna fill in these outer corners right here. I'm not taking this purple all the way in, just keeping it right on this edge and then just deepening it up. Look how pretty that is. It's just like a super pretty royal purple. It's amazing. So once you have your shape down, just go in with a clean fluffy brush. I use this one on the other eye, that's why there's stuff on it, but just take a clean fluffy brush and then just go over those edges. This is just gonna help when we go in with our next shades to blend it. This shade is a little bit hard to blend out, so if you're using the same palette, what you can do is just put a little bit of that purple on the brush that you're using just to help blend. So then I took the shade Pink Lily. I just went in with a little bit of this because it is a very bright shade on another fluffy brush and just went over those edges. You want to use a little bit of this at a time just because, like I said, it is so bright. You don't want it to overpower the purple, and just take your time with it. Next I went in with the shade Fruity. This one and Magenta, I just mixed those two. And I put those between the purple and the Pink Lily shade. I probably should have done this first, but because I did the Pink Lily on this side first, I have to match it. This look is super easy. I mean, I've been filming this for 7 minutes, and I mean, the eye look is almost pretty much done. So then I'm going to pick up some more Blackberry and just kind of redefine this purple, just putting some more pigment back in. And then just going back with the same shades and just reblending. So for the brow bone highlight, I went in with the shade Pearl. It's like a really pretty pinky sparkly color, and I took my Evian water and just spritzed it a little bit and just popped that right on the brow bone. The mistake I made on this side was I didn't clean up this purple right here to put the blue down, and I wish I would have. I had to do the blue, go in with like a powder to set it, and then the powder turned, it just looked light purple. It kind of took the blue away. So I had to go back in with the blue and put it back over the eyeshadow. So it's a little bit textured. So for this eye, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up where I'm gonna put this cut crease. So the reason you have to clean it up is because I'm using the Plouise bases, and I forgot that you're supposed to put them on something that's not, it's supposed to go on like by itself. You're not supposed to layer it on top of things. That was my fault. These things work great. These are amazing. So make sure if you're gonna use these, you're gonna clean up the area first. So I just put some on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna take a Morphe M213 brush. This is my favorite brush for cutting my crease because it's super small and it's rounded, and you can just really get in there and shape out like where you want your cut crease to be. It's super easy. This is like one of the brushes that I highly recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease really quick. I'll speed it up for you guys because this is gonna take me a while. I think that looks pretty even. I think. I don't know, I'm terrible at doing this. I can never get my cut creases even. All right, and then I'm just gonna fill in the rest of my lid. And then we're gonna wait for this to dry. I'm not gonna put a shadow on top of it or anything. I'm just gonna leave the color as is. So we're just gonna let this dry for a little bit. I don't wanna look up because since I have hooded eyes, it's gonna create like a really bad crease. So I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes and let this puppy dry. So I think that's about as dry as I have like the patience to wait for it to be. By the way, this is the shade Touch of Frost by Plouise. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into the shade Blackberry, and I'm gonna deepen up this outer corner, cover up where the base kind of hit the shadow. And then I'm gonna start angling this onto my lid and bringing it up. And then on that same brush, I'm gonna dip back into the shades Fruity and Magenta, which was this one and this one. And I'm gonna blend those two shades on top of that purple. And I'm just going back and forth with all of these shades. And I'm using the same brush, so just back in with Magenta, back in with Blackberry, all those same shades. And I'm doing like a tapping motion with the shadows. I'm not like swiping it, I'm just tapping it. Ever so gently. And the next one I did was I took Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter in Pyro, and I'm just kind of going over where we merged those colors together, just to add a little spice. Like, you guys know me and my glitter. I have to have my glitter. Like I always say when I use these is to let the first coat dry and then go in with the next coat. They work better in layers. So that's pretty much the eye look done, like the whole top half. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the bottom part since we're here. I don't wanna have to like come back to it. So I'm just gonna go back in with the purple shade, Blackberry, and I'm gonna take the pencil brush that we used in the beginning, and I'm just dragging that all along this lower lash line. And I'm not connecting it fully to the corner. I'm kind of stopping like a third of the way in, I think is where that's at. I don't know. Okay, then I'm gonna go back in with Magenta and Fruity and then just blend out that purple. Again, not going all the way in, just stopping where that purple stops. Then I'm gonna take a little bit more of Touch of Frost, and then I'm gonna put that into the inner corner and connect it to that purple. This just kind of helps tie all the colors together, and it doesn't just end so like abruptly, you know? And then for the waterline, I went in with my LA Girl Neon Shockwave liner in the shade Vivid. Okay, and that's pretty much the eye look done. I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner and throw some lashes on. And then I'll probably do my base off camera too, or I might do it like silently to myself and still put it on camera. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and we'll come back. So this is the eye look completely done. I don't think I got this part even. Oh well, it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my base on camera. I'm just gonna do it silently to myself. So yeah.
Jack it up.
Okay, so that's my base done. I think it's looking pretty good. The only thing that is going on with me right now is this eye is watering in the corner right here, and the purple is like running off. It doesn't want to stick right there. I can't fix it. Like, I can't get the purple to stick at all right there. So that's super frustrating. But anyways, we're just gonna move on and do the lips. So I really want to do like a black lip with this, with like a sparkly topper. So I'm gonna go in with KVD liquid lipstick in the shade Witches. This is just a straight black color. Not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to, oh God. It's kind of hard to like get black lipstick straight. Like, that is messed up down there. What the heck? Hang on. That's a little better. It's not perfect, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go and take my Stila lip gloss in the shade in the black, and I'm just gonna put that all over. This gloss shade is so pretty. It's got like purple, gold, green, blue reflex in it. It's stunning. I think this look is so cool with the black lip. Obviously you could do like a nude or whatever color you want, but I just figured I've been doing nude lips so much that I just wanted like something dramatic for this look. Even though it's getting literally all over my teeth. All right guys, so that is it for this finished look. What do you guys think? I don't want to get too close to you guys because my lips just look they're not great. And the lipstick just keeps getting all over my teeth. And even though my freaking eye won't stop watering, I still love this look. I think it came out so freaking pretty. My lips are driving me insane. These little Plouise bases, these things are so freaking good. Just make sure you're using them right, not like I did on this eye. That was like a total mess up, but honestly, in the end, you can't even really tell anyway. But if you're gonna use these, make sure you're using them like on a clean surface with nothing on it. That's when they work the best. And you can also put like eyeshadows on top of them to make them pop. I mean, it's just like a base. I really don't have anything else to say to you guys. I mean, we did a look. There's not much to say. We didn't really use anything new. I don't think we used anything new here, actually. No, we didn't. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments down below, if you've done something similar. Also, if you even recreate this, make sure you tag me in my Instagram. I will put that up on the screen right here. Also, don't forget to follow me there either. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I mean, you're already here. You might as well just hit that subscribe button down below. It doesn't hurt you. I don't know, I feel like I still have I feel like I had to say more, but I don't really know what to say. I don't know. I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. Again, I hope you guys really like this look, and if you did, then subscribe. And I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.